Hello guys, my name is Dylan. My YouTube channel is Stereology Bros, and today we are going to be doing the product sum formula. So, topic 1 is a review. So, we're just going to review our trig identities. So, there's the cosine squared of theta plus the sine squared of theta. Square root of theta. Okay? And then this equals 1. So whenever you see this, you can replace that with 1. And then there's the cosine squared of theta. Wait, no, sorry. It's the cosine. And so basically, it's cosine parentheses theta 1 plus theta 2 equals cosine theta 1 times the cosine of theta 2 minus the sine theta 1 times the sine of theta 2. And so the sine of theta 1 plus theta 2 equals the sine of theta 1 minus the cosine of theta 2 plus the cosine of theta 1 times the sine of theta 2. So cosine squared of theta equals 1 plus the cosine of 2 theta over 2. And so the sine squared of theta equals 1 minus the cosine of 2 theta over 2. Okay? Then we have the cosine of theta 1 times the cosine of theta 2 equals 1/2 of the cosine theta 1 plus theta 2 plus the cosine of theta 1 minus theta 2. The next one is the sine of theta 1 times the sine of theta 2 equals 1/2 cosine theta 1 plus theta 2 this is minus cosine of theta 1 minus theta 2 minus the cosine theta 1 plus theta 2. And the final one is the cosine of theta 1 times the sine of theta 2 equals 1/2 sine of theta 1 plus theta 2 minus sine theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay? So let's move on to topic 2, which is the first product formula. So we'll just bring back our first paper. We are doing the first formula. We're going to prove that formula true. The other ones we will save for a later video. So, this is going to be one half cosine theta 1 plus theta 2 plus the cosine of theta 1 plus theta 2. Equals, and so the next step is 1/2 equals 1/2 cosine of theta 1 times the cosine of theta 2, and it's the sine of theta 1 times the sine of theta 2 plus the cosine of theta 1 times the cosine of theta 2 plus the sine of theta 1 times the sine of theta 2. Okay, next is 1/2. So there's 2 cosine theta 1. Okay? So we're basically making this smaller. So there's 2 cosine theta 1 cosine of theta 2. So this is equal to the cosine of theta 1 times the cosine of theta 2. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.